Little storyteller.
Barnaby the bunny, with his fluffy white fur and long twitchy nose, was hopping in his garden one night. He loved to look up at the round, bright moon in the dark sky. Tonight the moon looked a little different. It was big and round, but now it had big red circles and little brown spots all over it. "Wow," Barnaby whispered, his whiskers wiggling. "The moon looks like a giant pizza." Barnaby's tummy started to rumble. He thought about juicy red tomatoes and yummy brown mushrooms, just like the ones on the moon pizza. He wasn't the only one feeling hungry. All over the world, people and animals looked up at the pizza moon and their tummies rumbled too. Lily, a little girl with bright eyes and curly brown hair, was eating her dinner. But when she looked out the window and saw the pizza moon, her dinner suddenly didn't seem so interesting anymore. "Mommy, Daddy," she said, "the moon looks like a pizza. I want to eat it." Miles, Lily's friend with a kind smile and neat brown hair, was reading a book. He glanced out the window and gasped. The moon really did look like a giant, cheesy pizza. He felt a big hunger in his belly. Far away in space, on a sparkly blue spaceship, a little green alien named Zorp was cleaning up. Zorp was a very friendly alien, but sometimes he was a little clumsy. He had been making a special cosmic pizza potion for his dinner. It smelled like stardust and tasted like sunshine. Oops! Zorp tripped over his own 2 feet, and the cosmic pizza potion went flying out the window of his spaceship. It zoomed through space and landed right on the moon. The potion spread all over the moon, making it look just like a giant, delicious pizza with tomato sauce and mushroom shapes. Zorp looked through his telescope and saw everyone on Earth looking sad and hungry. "Oh dear," he said. "It was my clumsy mistake." He knew he had to do something to help. Zorp quickly mixed up another potion, but this time it smelled like sweet flowers and tasted like yummy fruit. He carefully poured it into a big spray bottle. Then he flew his sparkly blue spaceship back towards the moon. Zorp gently sprayed the new potion all over the pizza moon. As the sparkly mist floated down, the red circles turned into fluffy white clouds, and the brown spots twinkled like tiny stars. The moon was round and bright again. Barnaby the bunny looked up and saw the familiar bright moon. His tummy didn't rumble anymore. Lily and Miles looked out their windows and smiled. The pizza moon was gone, and they felt happy and full after their dinners. Zorp waved from his spaceship. He learned that even though everyone makes mistakes, it's important to try your best to fix them. And that night, everyone on Earth slept soundly under the gentle glow of the real moon.
Please subscribe. Thank you.